Yung phone ko is nasira na. Kaya gusto kong i-transfer dito sa isa kong phone, yung aking GCash. Kaya nung nilagin ko, ito yung lumabas. Your account is already registered to another phone. So, ang ginawa ko is pumunta ako ng Google Chrome. Type ko yung GCash Help Center. I-click natin yung GCash Help Center. Tapos, scroll down lang. Chat with Gigi. So, ito yung mga namin ni Gigi. Pag message ko sa kanya, did you reinstall your GCash app? No. Tapos, ito yung mga tanong niya. Are you able to log in? Then, answer ko no. Alright, which best describe your concern? My registered phone got damaged. Tapos ito yung sagot niya. Please describe your experience with unregistering your phone and share your thoughts. Tapos sabi ko, I can't register my GCash account on my old phone because it's already damaged. Tapos sabi niya, thank you for your feedbacks. For your security, we'll be asking few more details. Tapos, pinasend niya ako na yan, show form. Tapos, ito, pinasend niya ako ng valid ID ko at saka yung selfie with my ID. So, ito na. Sinend ko na. Tapos, sabi niya ganyan. Receive niya na daw. Tapos, once validated, an email will be sent to you within 24 hours, confirming that you should be able to log in your account with new phone already. Kaya, wait natin ng 24 hours. Kasi hindi pa naman 24 hours. Kaya, yun. Yun ang gawin kapag kayo ay masira yung isang phone nyo, kasi yung isang phone ko kasi naka-ano kasi yun doon naka-registered yung GCash ko doon. Kaya, yan. Sayang naman kung hindi ko yun ilipat dito sa isang kong phone, may laman pa naman yun. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye.